Hey guys, we just got in this fresh new trade-in. This is a 2008 Buick Allure. Let's take a look. This vehicle was traded in. It's in pretty good shape. We are selling it as is. It's great if you are handy, know somebody who's handy. If you're looking for your first car, maybe a winter car. Maybe you have a sports car for the summer, need something reliable for the winter. The Buick Allure does have leather, does have a remote start, and is very spacious on the inside. The Allure has been out for a very long time, known to be a very reliable vehicle. Equipped with a 6-cylinder motor, great on the highway, and meant for those long trips. Let us know if you're interested.